Hey folks, Brian here with the front wheel of a Juiced Bikes CrossCurrent X, and I'm going to check whether this wheel is properly dished. And I also have with me this part tool, WAG-4 Professional Wheel Alignment Gauge. The main features are the rubber stops that can be movable. These rest on the rim of the bike on the sides. And we've got this adjustable knob in the center to move the measuring bracket. So let's rest it on the side. I've already adjusted the rubbers so that it rests evenly. Now we're going to push down till it properly touches the hub and not the axle. I'm going to tighten. Okay, now we're going to flip to the other side. We're going to take the tool again, rest it on the rim, and see how it lines up. Pretty good. So this wheel appears to be dished. It's not perfect, but I think it's good enough. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.